Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about Jason Carr, the former WDIV television host who suddenly disappeared from Detroit television screens. What happened to him? Why did he leave? And where is he now? Stay tuned as we break it all down. Jason Carr is a veteran journalist and television personality who became a household name in Detroit. He worked for WDIV, Local 4 News, and co-hosted the popular morning show Live in the D. Known for his energy and engaging on-air presence, Carr built a loyal audience over the years. In December 2022, Jason Carr was abruptly terminated by WDIV television after an alleged incident in the studio. Reports say Carr had an on-air outburst during a live stream and later clashed with colleagues behind the scenes. After that day, his profile was removed from the station's website, and he was no longer part of the Local 4 team. Where is Jason Carr now? After leaving WDIV, Jason Carr decided to reinvent himself. On the 22nd of February, 2023, he launched his own digital talk show called Jason Carr Drive, which streams exclusively on Facebook. The show features casual conversations, personal stories, and plenty of interaction with fans. Jason hasn't returned to traditional television, but he continues to grow his online audience and remain active in digital media. Jason Carr went from being a staple on Detroit morning television to carving out his own space online. It's a reminder that even after setbacks, there's always a way forward. Have you watched Jason's new show yet? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on your favorite media personalities. Until next time, stay tuned.